Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the E-mini, and we've had a significant drop overnight, to say the least, right? We have taken out the lows from January down at 1804. We have traded as low as 1802 half. And, I'm just going to say to you guys what I said to the people in my room this morning, which is, look, there may not be a whole heck of a lot to do today. Clearly, this is one of those situations where Europe may have stolen the move. So all the fun was kind of overnight, and you wake up, and what you are feeling when you turn your computer on, having slept through a big move in the market, is that you've missed out. And you feel the need to overtrade or revenge trade to try to make up that difference. Well, that's simply not possible. That move is done, right? You have to resist that urge today, okay? It doesn't matter. Trade the day as it comes, hit your goals, whatever they are. For us in the room, that's 4 handles, and move on to the next day. Stay focused, okay? You cannot have, performance envy based upon something that that you can't control. Everybody has to sleep, and that's the way it has to be. So are we due a bounce? Yeah. Is it going to be much of a bounce? Probably not. Probably not. A bear market rally, sure. I mean, could it do, say, for me, any move back into the area of the Globex high is going to bring in, it's going to bring in the sellers. So be aware and control your size, control your risk. I didn't come on here today to give you any major pontification of levels and things like that. I mean, this market is moving. There's a lot that's dragging it down. I really came on here to say you need to be careful. And don't worry about what happened last night. You can't control that. Control what you can, and that is your risk management and your size and how you manage trades. That you can control. What happens while you're asleep, you can't really control. I do have numbers down at 1795 and 1788 for a potential bounce. And I see resistance at 28, 37, and 42. So I mean, there's my general lay of the land, and I keep a close eye on VWAP today. It's been important this week. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. These are some very volatile markets, okay? Don't trade, if you trade this stuff every day, if you're new to it, don't trade it alone. Come check us out. There's a lot of places you can be, and, don't sit in a room and get inside your head and lose sight of your risk when the markets are really moving like this. Risk management, size management, reasonable goals, and knowing when to stay away. And for a lot of new traders, today is a fantastic opportunity to do nothing at all. All right, have a good one. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.